Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you guys so much for watching. So today we are getting into a little Sunday reset, and this is how I reset my Sundays. I have a very busy week that is coming up, so I'm actually getting prepared for that, making sure that the house is clean, make some dinner with babe, go a little bit of food shopping, and it just kind of get a little relaxed before I actually have to tackle what I need to tackle tomorrow. So tomorrow I actually have a entrepreneurial interview that I have to do with a place that is called Catapult. And it is something that is founded in Pittsburgh, PA. And I will give you guys a little bit more information about that. Once we do the interview, I'll give you guys a little bit of an update. I'm very excited. It is something to jumpstart me and Babe's, business as far as the catering. And, I'm very good at interviews. Love them. So I know that it's going to go well. We're just wishing for the best. And then also, too, I have a breast reduction consultation coming up. So that's something exciting that I'm looking forward to. I would really love to get a breast reduction. My boobs are too big for me. I feel like they're very heavy and they cause so much pain in my lower back area. And with me being on this weight loss journey, it's a little hard. Right now, I'm not feeling it, but we'll keep you guys updated on that. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Spray that product, go tap. We don't deal with petty drama. We like tattoos, nails, and comments. Like to keep it classy, cute. Niggas love us. Oh shit. Good morning, y'all. So you already know it's a little early in the morning, but we always got to start off by brushing our teeth, also washing our face. I got in the shower last night, so I'm actually not going to get in the shower until a little bit later. I do want to go ahead and tackle some things that I need to get done today because I have a really busy week coming up. So I'm taking a spritz of water to my hair because it gets really dry and really crunchy when I don't get it freshly done, and then I do wet it in the shower. So I'm just getting it a tad bit moisturized at this moment. So Bestie bought me some rose water for my hair and my face, and y'all, this stuff works so good. The smell is absolutely amazing, so please go ahead and invest. I think she purchased this off of Amazon. I'm not sure. So I'm just pulling my hair up. There's this biotin that I like to use on my edges. So I'm going to put that on my edges and then just rub it in. And then I also rub it in with a toothbrush just so that way it's applied very well to my hair. It smells good. It feels good. And I absolutely think that it works as well. So to wash my face, I use Beekman Milk Bar Facial Cleaning Bar, and I absolutely love using this stuff. I believe I purchased it from Ulta, so guys, please invest in that milk bar. It is truly amazing. So what I'm using here is Boar nose strips. And what you do is simply get some water, you wet your nose, you leave it on for about 10-15 minutes. You pull it off, and it's supposed to pull off of all your blackheads. This thing was so disgusting. It pulled off so many blackheads off my face. But overall, the product works wonders, and my babe likes to use it as well. As you can see, it kind of hurts taking off. I was going through a little bit of pain, but it's worth it. Look at all them blackheads, y'all. So you can see my nose is really, really smooth. I love the product. So now I'm just going in with my face cream recommended by my dermatologist, and then also my moisturizer. So I decided to make me a light breath fix, which is my favorite, Honey Bunches of Oats, just for this morning because I'm going to be really, really busy. So I'm also catching up on Wednesday as well. If y'all watch this show, oh my God. So I took a nap, and now I am taking my box of wine and filling up my individual wine bottles that I purchased off of Amazon so I can put those in the refrigerator so they can get cold. I just rather fill up my wine bottles this way. I really like this Moscato Sangria, and I just buy individual bottles so that way I can have it separate. So now I'm just refilling my butter containers and then also my brown sugar and my regular sugar. I'm just cleaning off the names off of the container so that way I can rewrite them. And I just use permanent marker and I use those wet wipes just to wipe it off. So these sugars I use the most. So now I'm just simply filling up my sugar, which is the white sugar, and then also the brown sugar. So now I'm just doing my dishes. We don't have a dishwasher, but I absolutely like just washing my dishes by hand. I feel like they're cleaner that way with a dishwasher. You pretty much got to clean the dishes before you put them in a dishwasher, so pointless. Listen, let me put you on to something if you already don't know. If you don't know about the Scrub Daddies, please invest in a Scrub Daddy, ladies. It will truly change your life. I love washing with my Scrub Daddies. They get everything in the world. You got a firm side. You also have a soft side. The one that I have is strictly firm, just to get the most out of washing my dishes. Sea Moss by Nikki Jo Dawson. So it is Zuri's bath time. So we wash her up in the sink. I make sure I get all of my dishes and everything out of the way so she can get a bath. And then once she is complete with her bath, we go ahead and clean the area once again with some Lysol really well. You know, we cook in here, and the last thing I need is for dog hair to be all up in my food or in somebody else's food. But Zuri really enjoys bath time. I would give her a bath upstairs in the bathroom, but unfortunately we don't have a bathtub. We only have a shower in this house, so that is not an option. But like, she does very, very well, and I'm super proud of her that she sits there through bath time because she was super dirty, and she's white, so we need to make sure that she is clean at all times. So after bath time, me and Babe is going to head to the store to pick up some things that we'll be making for dinner, which is steak, potatoes, and some asparagus that we was craving. Okay, so we're home and we're just going to go ahead and get this food unpacked so that way we can start cooking and I can start moving to the other things that I need to go ahead and do around the house. So we'll catch you guys in just a minute. So, baby told me that she was coming home for lunch. So, you know me and my extra self, I had to go ahead and whip something up for babe because she works so hard and she's so busy. And, you know, she loves the little sandwiches that I make her. So, I decided to make her like a little turkey sandwich and then also cut up some fruit, which is the pineapples, and then also the cantaloupe, which was so good and so fresh. So as you can see, I'm just assembling the sandwich. She loves turkey. She don't like American cheese. She likes this Colby Jack cheese. So she's very particular on what it is that she likes to eat. You know, by now we've been together for like 2 years. So I know exactly what she likes and what she don't like. And she loves sandwiches and she loves fruit and she loves juice. So it was the perfect opportunity for me to whip her up something that she would really enjoy. But, you know, this juice right here is like crack to her now. So she was super happy. And I'm not going to lie, the juice is really, really good. So here is the finished product. She loved it. I made her two. She tore it up. Okay, y'all. So right now I'm just cleaning up my office. I'm getting these little bit of clothes folded that babe washed so I can get my little bed together. I put a bed in here because this is kind of like my zen room. So anytime that I just need to get away, even though I have a whole house, I just love being in my office. It's very cozy. It's very girly. I got my little desktop that turns into a TV. So I just come in here and I just breathe and I watch TV and I brainstorm for the business and everything like that. So that's all I'm doing.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
So now I'm just going to tackle the other side of my office. We just came back from vacation not too long ago. So I pretty much stuffed everything in here, such as like in this little corner that you're currently seeing. So I'm just going to get that cleared out so I can have it nice and free. Because when I work, I use it to hold like my paperwork and everything that I needed to do. it's just super messy. So y'all, look at my little stickers that I just got for my little dry erase board, which is my little calendar that I use to put on my appointments and date night and, just reminders for myself. I'm very forgetful. So if I don't have something that's like literally punching me in my face to remind me that I have to do it, I'll completely forget. So I'm just jotting down some information like my entrepreneurial interview that I had, which is on the 28th, and then also my breast reduction appointment that I have to go to so I can remember, and it is the end of the month, so I'll be creating this for December. Just love my little dry erase board. It makes me very, very excited if you can't tell. I've also been reading a book which is called The Magic of Manifesting, which I think is a really, really good book. What I've read in it so far. And it says, how do you manifest the lifestyle, people, and happiness in your life if you don't know how? So in this book, you'll discover techniques that anybody can do to help guide you through a shift in consciousness. Also, what the true reality is and how it can change your perspective to put you on a path to success. And also what you need to do to maximize your manifesting abilities and the most important qualities that all successful people have. And much more. So if you guys are readers, please go ahead and pick up this book. You will not be disappointed. So yes, those are just like the little things that I do as well on my Sunday reset. Okay, so if you know me, you know that a room is not going to look the same for long when it comes to me and it comes to my house. So right now I'm moving the couches. So just moving the TV to the other side because I just want a new scenery and I'm just tired of looking at everything where it is at this current moment. So when you feel in those new vibes, you just want to see some new scenery. Y'all gonna see me struggling for a little bit. I'm a little big. So I had to put the freaking cords back in the bottom of the couches. We had one of those couches that like pull out, and when Zuri was a little baby, she chewed up all the cords that goes to the couches, y'all. So we had to order some more cords, and we just been so lazy and just have not placed these cords back on here. But I was like, since I'm moving around the living room, I might as well just go ahead and knock it out.
drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up and I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fills you up and I take. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? I
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. To me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, oh, baby, on your love.